What's up, guys? Today I figured I'd put together a video that shows you exactly how to put in the stereo system mod for Beamng. Unlike everybody else, you hear me talking, you're going to see me, doing whatever I'm going to do on here. And I'm going to simplify it too, unlike these other people that make tutorials. I saw the sub one. It's really cool, but unfortunately, I can't get anyone to answer me where I can get one that works with the 0.33 yet. With that said, let's take a look at how to install this very simply and not through Steam or the repository or any of that bullshit. Alright, so all we're going to do is go to Beamng's site. We're going to download the file. We're going to extract the file. After you have that extracted, you can delete that. You don't need it no more. We're going to copy that folder. So you're going to click C drive, users, username, and then app data, local, your Beamng directory, and your Beamng version. And we're going to go to the mods folder. If you don't have an unpacked folder, just create a new folder, name it unpacked, paste that in here, which I already did. And then you're going to navigate to music, delete the blank. I already have music in here, so I'm demonstrating right now that you just highlight your music. These happen to be WAV files, and you're going to go back to that unpacked folder, which is where your music folder is. Inside that file we just extracted, we're going to copy and paste them there. You can see here, if we right-click properties, it's a WAV file. So we'll copy some MP3s too. The game doesn't care which it is. We'll go back in there. We'll paste them in there so the game has both WAV and MP3. You can clearly see that's MP3. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to launch Beamng. And the key thing here is, if it's not working for you, don't even bother checking if your keys are mapped right. They probably are. Where I was fucking up is the car has to be running, which is stupid because I have 2 extra batteries to pump my subs. The car doesn't need to be running. So that I don't get. If you hit the apostrophe, that's going to change songs. You can raise and lower the volume by pressing the equal sign and underscore or something like that. Just go into the controls and check it out. But again, to change songs, it's apostrophe. That's how they have it bound.
Let's turn the V up and go for a ride with the Vlad, baby. Oh yeah! Big wheels keep on turning. My mama told me when I was young, we were all born superstars. So hold your head up, girl, and you'll go far. Listen to what I say. I'm beautiful in my way, 'cause God makes no born this way. There ain't no other way, baby, I was born this way.
said, don't call us, child, we'll call you.